Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn how to implement control structure in Actionscript using Flash. First of all, we will create new Flash document. Now I will create a text box using text tool. Create larger text box. Select dynamic text and give the name T1. Now we will write Actionscript. For that, select frame 1, right click on it, go to action. Now let us look if statement. If t1.text double equal to empty string, then t1.text equal to hello. Let us run the script. For that, press Ctrl and Enter. Look, hello is displayed. Now let us look if else statement. I have written in else part that t1.text equal to blank. Now in the text box I am writing ABCD. So text box is not empty. Now let us run the script. Press Ctrl and Enter. Look, the text box is empty. So else part is executed. Now let us look at loops. First of all, we will look while loop. First of all, write where I number equal to 4. Now write while I greater than 0, t1.text plus equal to space plus value of I. Let us run the script. The script goes in infinite loop because we forgot to decrement I. So we will abort the script. Now let us correct the script with I minus minus. Now let us run the script. Press Ctrl Enter. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now I am writing same code using for loop. For variable I equal to 4, I greater than 0, I minus minus, and t1.text plus equal to space plus variable I. Press Ctrl Enter. Now let us look at for in statement. I am creating an object with two properties. Now let us print this value using for in statement. For property in my object Let us run the script. For that, press Ctrl Enter. This gives the basic idea of control structure in Actionscript. Thank you.